Let's imagine this. It's a calm morning. You wake up, stretch, maybe take a slow walk to the kitchen. The light is just coming through the window and you can hear the soft bubbling sound of oatmeal cooking on the stove. The smell is warm, familiar, comforting. You sit down, take your first bite, and feel a little proud of yourself. You've chosen one of the healthiest breakfasts out there. Oatmeal is good for your heart, good for your digestion, and should give you long-lasting energy, right? Well, yes and no. Here's the truth nobody really talks about. Oatmeal can be a health hero or a hidden problem depending on how you prepare and eat it. Done the right way, it can support your energy, digestion, heart, and even help with healthy aging. Done the wrong way, it can leave you tired, bloated, or hungry way too soon. Every day, people who genuinely care about their health make little oatmeal mistakes without realizing it, and over time, those small habits can add up. The good news? These mistakes are easy to fix, and today I'm going to show you 7 common oatmeal mistakes, why they matter, and exactly how to make your morning oats a true powerhouse meal. I'm also saving the most surprising mistake for last. Almost no one talks about it, but it can completely change how oatmeal affects your body. If you care about keeping your energy steady, your digestion happy, and your body strong after 50, give this video a quick like right now so more people in our Forever Young Health family can see it. Mistake number 1: living on instant oatmeal packets. Let's be honest, instant oatmeal packets look like a healthy choice. They're marketed with pictures of smiling families and bowls of oats topped with fruit. They're quick, they're easy, they save you time. But flip the packet over and check the label. You'll often see a long list of ingredients you didn't expect: added sugar, artificial flavors, preservatives, and sometimes even powdered creamers or thickeners. That extra sugar can cause a blood sugar spike right after you eat, followed by a crash that leaves you tired, foggy, and craving more food before lunchtime. And if this happens day after day, over time it can increase your risk of insulin resistance, weight gain, and energy slumps. Better choice. Switch to old-fashioned rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Yes, they take a little longer, maybe 5 to 15 minutes instead of 1, but they're worth it. They keep more of their natural fiber and nutrients, giving you slow, steady energy. For sweetness, go natural. Chop up a crisp apple, add a handful of blueberries, or slice in a ripe banana. Sprinkle cinnamon or nutmeg for flavor without extra sugar. And if you must have syrup, use just a tiny drizzle of pure maple, not the fake stuff. Mistake number 2: skipping the soak. This is a little-known step that can make a big difference, especially if you eat oatmeal often. Oats naturally contain phytic acid, a compound that can block your body from fully absorbing minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. These minerals are essential for strong bones, immune health, and steady energy. Here's the thing, phytic acid isn't bad, but if you eat oats daily and never soak them, over time it can contribute to lower mineral absorption. The simple fix. Before bed, put your oats in a bowl or jar, cover them with water or plant-based milk, and add a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Let them soak 6 to 8 hours. In the morning, rinse them, then cook as usual. This not only reduces phytic acid, it makes oats softer, creamier, and easier to digest, which means less bloating and a happier stomach. Mistake number 3: forgetting protein and healthy fats. Oats are packed with healthy carbs and fiber, but here's the catch. If you eat them alone, your body digests them quickly. This can leave you hungry before you want to be. Why it matters. After 50. As we age, protein becomes even more important for maintaining muscle mass, and healthy fats help protect brain function and hormone balance. The upgrade. Stir in a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess and extra protein. Sprinkle in chia seeds or flax seeds. They add omega-3 fats and more fiber. Add almonds, walnuts, or pecans for crunch and healthy fats. If you prefer savory oats, try topping with an egg and avocado. This combination slows digestion, keeps blood sugar steady, and helps you feel full for hours. Quick pause before we continue. If you've learned even one new tip so far, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another Forever Young Health video. I share practical, science-backed tips for staying healthy, active, and strong at any age. Mistake number 4: cooking oats only in milk. This one surprises a lot of people. Cooking oats in milk sounds healthy and creamy, but for some, it can cause bloating or heaviness. Why? Oats have a type of protein called avenin, and dairy milk has casein. For some digestive systems, this combo can be harder to process. Also, here's a nutrient fact. Calcium in milk can compete with iron in oats for absorption, meaning you get less of that iron your body needs for energy. Better approach: cook oats in water first. Once they're done, stir in just a splash of milk, dairy, or plant-based for creaminess. Then add flavor with vanilla, cinnamon, or even almond butter. Mistake number 5: ignoring vitamin C. This is a science-backed trick almost no one uses. The iron in oats is plant-based, also called non-heme iron. Your body doesn't absorb it as easily as the iron in meat. But vitamin C changes that. It transforms the iron into a form your body can absorb better. Easy fix. Add vitamin C-rich toppings, kiwi slices, orange segments, strawberries, or a drizzle of lemon juice over your oats. It's a small step that makes a big nutritional difference. Mistake number 6, sugar overload in the morning. Oatmeal can easily turn into dessert without you realizing it. Extra honey, flavored granola, dried fruit with added sugar, it adds up quickly. A sweet start can spike your blood sugar, which later crashes and leaves you feeling drained. Over time, this pattern can increase inflammation, cravings, and weight gain. Smarter choice. Sweeten with fresh fruit, ripe peaches, cherries, or grated pear. For flavor, use cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, or unsweetened cocoa powder. Top with seeds or nuts for crunch and slow-burning energy. Mistake number 7. Eating the wrong portion, the sneaky one. This one is almost always overlooked. Your ideal oatmeal portion depends on your body size, activity level, and goals. If you're not very active, a big bowl may give you more carbs than your body needs, leading to blood sugar swings or slow weight gain. If you're very active, a small bowl may not give you enough fuel. The smart way, start with 1/2 to 3/4 cup of dry oats, about 40 to 50 grams. If you're active, maybe you walk a lot, garden, or do workouts, you can add more. If you're less active, keep it smaller, but add protein and healthy fats so you still stay full. Friendly wrap-up, bringing it all together. So, let's recap. Skip instant packets, go for whole oats. Soak your oats to boost mineral absorption. Add protein and healthy fats for steady energy. Cook in water, finish with milk for creaminess. Pair with vitamin C for better iron absorption. Avoid too much sugar, choose fruit and spices, adjust portions to your own needs. These changes aren't complicated, but they add up. Better digestion, steady energy, stronger immunity, and a breakfast that truly supports your health. Now it's your turn. How do you like your oatmeal? Do you have a topping or preparation style you love? Share it in the comments. Your idea might inspire someone else in our community. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend or family member who loves oatmeal. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Forever Young Health for more tips that keep you active, strong, and feeling great at any age. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always check with your doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your diet.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay active.